I'm going to show you how to make a paper crane. So you're going to start with a piece of origami paper, and you want to turn it so the fancy side or the colorful side is facing down. So first we're going to fold it so that we can see the crease lines, and those will come in handy for when we're folding the paper itself. So the first step is to fold it in half, and you want to line up those edges just perfectly as best you can. Make sure they're lined up. Those will help make the crane come out better. You're going to open it up, and then you're going to turn it so you see that crease we made. We're going to fold it the other way now. Make another crease, so we'll end up with 4 squares on this. And then we're going to make 2 more preliminary folds. So the first one is going to be at corner to corner. And it's just, you want to make those, again, line those corners up as best you can. And make those creases. So I can see right here I didn't line it up perfectly, so I'm going to not make that crease yet. I'm going to try it again. You want to make those creases nice and smooth. Press them down really hard once you get them made. Once you know you're lined up. Those will help make the folds easier. And then you're going to fold it. You're going to turn it so you see you have the diagonal. We're going to fold it again one more time. And this time we're not going to unfold it. We're going to keep it folded. Get that crease in there. And we're going to fold it in half now. So on this crease we made here, we're going to fold this triangle in half again. Okay. So now we have a little triangle. Now you're going to lift up, you're going to keep this bottom part down, you're going to lift up one part, and you see how there's this opening in here? You're going to move this corner down to this corner. So we're going to open this opening up, and we're going to fold it down, so corner to corner, just like that, and then press that down, and you have a square. So now you're going to turn it over, and we're going to do it again on this other side. So this piece kind of folds up, and you can see it's kind of like a sail. Now we're going to open that up, fold this end down to this end, and crease those edges. And you have a little square. So you'll notice your square, the top part is kind of closed, the bottom part is open. You want to be working with that bottom part facing towards you. We're going to be working on this bottom part. So with the open part here, we're going to fold the top corner in, or the side corner into the center. And you'll see that center crease line. And press it down, and you're going to do the same on the other side. You're going to repeat that on all sides. So you're going to turn it over. Fold this into the center. Again, we're folding the bottom part that has the open. The closed top part is there. And into the center, and you're going to have like a kite shape here. So you can see mine's going to have some issues, maybe. I maybe fixed it because I didn't fold precisely. I have a hard time folding precisely, but that's okay. So now this next step feels like you don't need it, but if you don't do it, it's kind of tricky. It makes it harder to fold the paper. So you take this top triangle of the kite and fold it down. And then fold it back up, turn this over, fold that top triangle down the other way. That creates a crease that's going to help this next step go easier. So you're going to open up the bottom parts here. And you'll see you have this part, so you're going to open this all up. If you fold this triangle down here, it's going to make this easier. So you open it up, and this is going to form your wing. So you're going to just kind of pull that whole piece up like that. And this is where my folding not being precise might cause problems, but I think I can get it to work. And just push it down. So this is forming the wings. This top part's the wing of your crane. And this bottom part is going to turn into other parts of the crane. So turn it over. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. So open these 2 sides, fold that triangle down here, and we're going to take this whole middle part and fold it up. And that's going to make our second wing. Alright, then we are going to work on the bottom. So these are your wings. And then on the bottom here, you'll see there's it's open here. Alright, so we're going to fold along those open, on this open part, not this top part. So you're going to fold this in half, kind of like we did earlier, where we folded the edge into the center, and you're going to do that again on all 4 sides, just like we did when we made that original kite shape. Turn this over, fold these ones in. This is forming, this is going to be our head and our tail of our crane. So now we have this. Alright, so you can pick it up, and you can open up this side here, and just fold this part up. You can fold it all the way up, but you can also just sort of fold it a little bit of the way up. So sometimes it's easiest to fold it all the way up and then bring it out a little bit. And if it doesn't fold cleanly, see, mine doesn't really fold cleanly, don't worry about that. That's fine. We're going to do the same on this back side. I'm going to open this up, fold that up like that, and then fold this in half. And you can see we're starting to get that what looks like a crane. So when I first learned these, I was taught that usually one side is going to show you that it's the tail, and one side's going to show you that it's the head. So when I look at this, I see this side's a little straighter. This side's going to be my head. So for that, you're going to just sort of push it in. You're kind of creating a fold here at the top. And there you go. You have a crane. And then to open it, you can just pull open the wings a little bit very gently. You can push on the bottom and gently pull the wings open, and voila, you have a lovely crane.